guys, welcome back. It's me, Mr. Chua, and we have a friend today to help us with our lesson.
Hey, Echo.
Alright, so last time we learned about drawing a 3D object using one-point perspective. And today we are going to do the part 2 of that 3D drawing.
Today guys, we will be learning how to color your 3D drawing, the one that you did last time. So we are going to learn how to color them correctly to make it look like more realistic for your 3D drawing. So without much ado, let's start it. Alright, let's do it!
Let us learn first the element of art that we are going to use in our art activity today, and that is value. Value is the lightness and the darkness of the color. The lightness of the color is called tints, and the darkness of the color is called shades. From the lightest part until here, they are called tints. And from this color until to the darkest are called shades. So we will be using these tints and shades in coloring our 3D drawing. So this is the 3D drawing that we drew last time, and we are going to color it using the tints and shades. The most important thing that you should consider before coloring is to know where is your light coming from, or the light source. Now if your light is from here, this face of the box should be the lightest part because it's directly hit by the light. And this side right here is the darkest part because it's not hit by the light. And this part right here is a little bit lighter, and it goes darker as it goes farther from the light. So let's try it. Always remember, when you are coloring, stay inside the line, and as much as possible don't change your stroke or direction of the coloring. So this here is a little bit darker, and as it goes here it gets a little bit lighter because it's the nearest from the light. Now on this side, let's make it darker because it's not directly hit by the light. And to make it darker, all we gotta do is just press it harder so that it'll be dark. Now let's color this front face, and in this part it should be a little bit lighter, and as we go all the way away from the light it becomes darker. And the last thing that we will do is to add shadows. Remember, shadows are always opposite to the light, and shadows doesn't necessarily the same shape with your object. It just go opposite to your light. There you go, it looks like real now. Now let's try this one, and let's put our light from the back of our box. Now always remember that the lightest part should be the ones that are directly hit by the light, and those are not directly hit by the light will be our darkest sides. Now the light is going darker as it goes far from your light. Now this face right here will be our darkest because our light is from the back. Now let's add shadows. Always remember, shadows are always opposite to the light. So our light is from the back, so our shadow will be going forward. And that is how you color 3D objects. I hope you have learned something today. Just always remember to know the source of the light, and think which part of our object are directly hit by the light, and those parts would be the lightest. And those are not hit by the light should be the dark ones. So that ends our lesson for today, using values to make a 3D object look like real drawing. Next week will be the part 3 of our lesson, and we will be drawing a picture which we will use a one-point perspective, and the thing that we have learned today using values to color 3D objects to make our picture more realistic. Have fun, guys!